Hello, welcome to question 21. In a text who also scored 80% in mathematics, 60% in science, and X% in English. If the mean score for the subject is 65%, we have to find the value of what? X. Mean, that is average. To find an average, we know the mean or an average is equal to the summation of values involved divided by the number of values involved. So in this case, the mean score is 65 equals to the summation of the 80 plus the 60 plus the X divided by the number of items or the text we have. In this case, the number of subjects involved. So here, we are going to multiply by the 3. So if 3 multiply here, we have 120 plus 15. 180 plus 50, we have 195 equals to 140 plus what? X. It is the X we are interested in. So we subtract the 140 from both sides. So if we subtract that, we should be having X equals to what? 55. So the value is 55% as the next score in what? English. So that will give you the option A. I guess this is clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 22.